Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will tell you how you can remove this kind of error when you are installing a React application or you are using our npm command to install any packages. Okay, here you can see I create our React application, but I can get this error. So how you can solve this error, I will tell you. I scroll down and here you can see this command. Okay, npm config set registry. You write this command and complete this command and press enter. And after that, you can use npm config list to check your registry will be set or not. And here you can see I use npm config list command, and here you can see our registry will be set properly. After that, when I use npx create react app command, and you can see here my React application properly installed. So you can use only this command, this one, and solve this issue. So thanks for watching. See you in a next video.
If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Patreon for more tips and tricks. Link in description.